International executive team coming out here Saturday, September 13th, 2014, Salt Lake City, Utah, Conference Center.
All right. How'd you like some of that science? Pretty amazing product and concept that we have here. We're sitting backstage and we're just sitting there and we're thinking, man, we got to give away something. Should we give away something? Yeah! As we talked about, some of these drawings that we're going to be doing throughout convention, and the highlight obviously is going to be the car over there. Whose car is that?
Mine.
Whose is it?
Mine.
Okay. It's going to be hard to get on a plane.
It's all right.
We'll figure it out.
You'll come to talk.
No, we'll figure it out. Anyway, what we're going to do is we are going to do our first little drawing real quick, and we're going to give away a $1,000 check to somebody. So, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have Case, you want to do that? All right. Pull that out. So what we had to do is, obviously, it was not only putting the rain partner teams together, we're putting the rain partner teams together and coming to convention. So we want to make sure that somebody here gets these, obviously.
So literally, we just pulled the list a few minutes ago to make sure if anybody out here created a rain partner team last night that we were up to date. So here we go. All right, so what we've got here, here's the number right here, 311. And on here, I pulled a list, we've got a spreadsheet. The only thing we're gonna do is go down here. And again, you gotta be present to win, so we may have to pull another one. So go to 311. All right, here we go. We're at 311. We've got it right here, Robert Mohammed, is he here? Oh! Hey, you tell him, you tell him, he missed. Okay, we'll pull another one.
That's all right.
Okay, I actually we got a name here from Hong Kong. How many people from Hong Kong we have right here still? You're still in the running? Okay. Su Ling Chen. You here? Shu Ling Chen?